You don't want the package?
Yeah, I want my fucking package. Here, get this in there. There you go. Go give us our fucking package.
Nah.
Fucking talk to me like I'm shit on the phone and they don't expect me not to do it back.
I'm asking you.
No, I said go to the door and open. You said, why should I do that?
You said it with attitude like
I
that.
didn't.
He
I
has
said, open the
attitude,
door.
right?
He was sitting right there. Is he serious to drive
So
away?
you're not dropping off our package, okay? We are receiving the package. You're refusing to drop it off?